going on, everybody? We're back out here on the boat today. It's a lovely Tuesday afternoon.
Is it Tuesday? I thought it was Monday.
Oh, it's Tuesday. We got Sam over here, Carson over here.
Make sure
We're trolling the shore. Hopefully we can catch something that is a mackerel or king. Really, a king would be insane. So hopefully we get onto some. We'll see what happens. Well, first fish of the day.
You want the fires, bro?
Still got.
I don't know, it's a mystery species. Red sea. Is it really? Yeah.
All right, tea's on. What do we got? Looks not bad. Little red. Hey, that's a start. Right species. There we go. There we go, Tyler.
Yeah, you got it, bro.
It doesn't feel small. I'm on a fish, finally. Not a bad little red. It's probably 16, 17.
Is that keep? 17?
No.
It's 18.
It's 18. Alrighty. Not a, all right.
We're measuring this one.
Carson's official first fish of the day.
Best one.
It is 5. It's 5:23.
We didn't start this.
I've been fishing for 5 hours and 20 minutes, and this is my first fish. Alrighty, guys. I am hooked up on the snag that I was on earlier.
Fighting back real hard.
There is my catch, everybody. Hell yeah. All right, fish on, y'all. Slot red on. Yeah, slot red on. Hey, reel it in with your hands. Reel the line up with your hands. No, the bobber. There you go. Alrighty, boys.
You recording?
Yeah.
Where'd you get him? Over there?
Yeah. A little bit stressful around here. All right, watch out, I'm moving. A little bit stressful because Sam and Tyler always get tangled. I stopped the GoPro, and as soon as I started it back up, there he was. I've not seen him yet, but it is a nice fish. Alrighty, boys. Hey, you're good. You're good. I got him hooked good.
Okay.
Yeah. He'll come up whenever he's ready. See, some reds fight harder further out, but some fight harder close to the boat.
That's how mine is.
Hey, did you get that tangle out, Sam? Okay, here, now reel up this line if you can. That's fine. Just, all right, stop, Sam. This is a nice fish. All right, get the line, Sam.
It's a red, I see it.
Clear the line, Sam.
That's a nice red. See it?
Ready? Get him. Woo!
Nice red.
There we go, boys.
That's a nice red.
There we give me some, Sam.
Let's go.
Woo! That's what I'm talking about, boys. Woo! Check that out, y'all. In the boat, Tyler.
In the boat.
No.
Oh, down here.
Yeah. See, we have PTSD from Tyler dropping his fish. It went bloop, bloop, bloop. One time. All right. Check out that hook set right there, boys.
Deep.
I know. I got him good. See, Tyler. There you go, Tyler. Good stuff. Oh yeah, grab them. Boom. All right. Here, let me see him. I got him. All right, boys. He's 20.
Dude, he's like a perfect length.
He's
24 and a quarter.
25 and a half.
My tweak? Oh yeah, 25 and a
All right, boys.
25 and a quarter.
25 and a quarter inch red. What a awesome fish.
Our line's good.
What an awesome fish. Alrighty, y'all. Right here. Boom.
Nice. 25 and a half.
Sir, Mars.
25 and a half inch red right here. Perfect.
AKA dinner.
Upper slot red. Our dinner right here.
His name is Jeffrey, AKA our dinner.
Yes, sir.
Same as Jeffrey. Check out this big tail right here. Look at that. Alrighty. He is going in. Alright, Sam's on there. All right. Yep, net's ready. Another red. I see it. It's another red. Small. Little guy, little guy, little guy. Flip him over. Boom. Check it out. Probably. Oh, yep. Get him all nice and bloody. All right, I need to rinse that off. Look at that sunset. Sun poking through. All right, ready, boys? All right, 3, 2, 1. Nope. We tried. Alrighty, y'all. So basically, long day of fishing. We started fishing about noon. Right now it's about 8:30. Yeah, it was pretty slow at first, but we ended up having a lot of fun in the end. Yeah, I caught a nice red, 25 and a quarter. Oh yeah.